Hi everybody, in this video I am going to show you how to crochet this beautiful flower. To crochet this project you need something to cut the yarn, a 3.5 hook, a stitch marker, a yarn needle and 2 colors of yarn. You might want to know the completed forms of abbreviations used in captions. We start with making a magic loop. In my way, we're gonna just keep this X until the end. You can see how I just keep the X. Okay, I repeat it again and okay. Yarn over and pull through the yarn. Okay, the magic loop is ready. Now chain 2. Okay, after that make 11 double crochets. If you don't know how to make them, follow the video. You have to yarn over and pull through the yarn. Use a stitch marker for marking the first stitch. Okay, continue making double crochets. As I said, we need 11 double crochets. Okay, this is my last double crochet. Okay, to make sure there are 11 double crochets, just count them. Okay, that's all right. Now we are gonna make a slip stitch. For making the slip stitch, you should change color. Remove the stitch marker and remember where it was. So, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through the yarn. One more time, and this is the slip stitch. Now, chain 3. Okay, pull the central yarn to close your magic loop and cut this yellow yarn. We will not use it anymore. Okay, let's start making the petals. For the first petal, I'm gonna insert my hook in this stitch, and during making the petals, we need to hide these 2 unwanted yarns. So, make a triple stitch, yarn over twice and insert your hook. Then, put the unwanted yarns up of your hook. Now, yarn over again and pull through the yarn. We have 4 loops and we are gonna pull through 2 by 2. do the same thing and do it in the same stitch. We have to make 3 triple crochets in one stitch. So do this again and okay, chain 3 and make a slip stitch in the next stitch. As you can see, this is where I'm gonna make the slip stitch. Insert the hook, and again I'm trying to hide the unwanted yarns. So the first petal is ready. Now chain 3. We're gonna do the same thing again, so make 3 triple crochets in the next stitch. Okay, our second petal is almost ready. We need to just chain 3 and make a slip stitch in the next stitch. Okay, as you can see, the second petal is ready. I think that's enough hiding these 2 unwanted yarns and they are secure enough. So cut them and continue making petals, really easier. In total we will have 6 petals, so repeat the previous steps. Chain 3, make 3 triple crochets in the next stitch, and again chain 3 and make a slip stitch in the next stitch after triple crochets. I'll continue making the petals and I will be back after making the 6th petal. Okay, here I am at the end of my 6th petal. This is the last slip stitch, and after that our flower is ready. At the end, cut the yarn and our beautiful flower is ready. We still have these 2 unwanted yarns. In next step, I'm going to tell you how to remove and hide them. Okay, before everything, just make sure your magic loop is close enough. Then use a yarn needle and follow the video to know how to hide this unwanted yarn. In this way, we are using double crochets to hide this unwanted yarn. So insert the yarn needle behind each double crochet and repeat this around your work. After you have made sure your work is secure enough, cut the yarn and okay, the first yarn is hidden. For second yarn, First of all, bring it to the back. Do the previous steps to hide this yarn. This time, insert the yarn needle behind triple crochets. Again, cut the yarn and okay, as you can see, your flower is ready. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. In my channel, I will upload more crochet tutorials for you.